Come on in, come on.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am starting with my Christmas decorating, and I will be showing you how I clean and decorate my living room. You can see the Christmas tree over there in the front hallway. It's actually just assembled. I haven't decorated it yet. I will also show you how I clean and decorate my front hallway. So let's get started. If you guys are looking for some DIY and decor inspirations, make sure you check out my playlist, the Christmas 2019 DIY and decor. I will have it linked down in the description box. There are tons of DIY ideas and inspirations in it, so make sure you check it out. If you are looking to see all that's happening throughout the week that doesn't get shared on YouTube, make sure you are following along on Instagram and Facebook. Links are down in the description box.
So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Ba 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 da ba 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 da ba da ba ba da. Ba 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 da ba ba. Yeah, ba 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 ba. Come on in, come on in. Together, come on in, nothing better. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas, don't you know? Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas, don't you know? 365 chances of the year to try to make it right. You have to see it clear. We all need a helping hand to put our things aside. It's time to take a stand with our eyes open wide. Let it bring out the very best of you. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas, don't you know? Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas, don't you know? When we forgive our enemies, soon we will forget. No more jealousy, nothing we'll regret. You don't have to believe in Santa Claus to know what's right to do, fighting for a cause. And it will bring out the very best.
It took me over 2 days, but here it is. I like the way it turned out. I'm sure I will change it around still before I share my full home tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.